The highest priced home to sell this past week was in Chevy Chase's Kenwood community for $4,775,000. It's Friday, February 5th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level here in Maryland. Buyers who purchased in 2019 and early 2020 were rewarded with an increase in equity as prices increased almost 11% throughout the state. Homeowners with private mortgage insurance are strongly encouraged to have the equity of their home reviewed to determine if this can be dropped or refinanced out to save money on your mortgage. If you need assistance with this process, give me a call at 443-837-5645. I'm always happy to help. The Baltimore metro area, which includes 6 counties, Anne Arundel, Carroll, Hartford, Howard, Baltimore, and Baltimore City, was up 8.7% year over year. The Maryland suburb market, which includes Prince George's and Montgomery counties, saw a 9% appreciation rate, up from 2019. Southern Maryland market, which includes Calvert, Charles, and St. Mary's, was up 9.7% year over year. The Eastern Shore market, that includes Talbot, Queen Anne's, Kent, Cecil, Carroll, and Dorchester, was up 14.8% from 2019. Right now in Maryland, fewer homes came to market over this past week. 956 are newly active, 823 are coming soon, 606 homes went under contract, 1,204 are temporarily off the market, 1,102 moved to pending, 1,414 homes settled last week at a median $325,000 in 9 days. There are 1,633 homes listed for rent in Maryland at an average of $2,182 per month. If you have any questions about your situation for 2021, give me a call at 443-837-5645. Also, be sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our podcast. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. That's it for Friday, February 5th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thanks again for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll be here next Friday.